in order to go from 3 nines to 4 nines, each successive level you add, you basically have to spend between 5 and 8 what you spent to get to the previous level. And that means that if you need something up 5 nines of the time, what it would cost if you only needed it 2 nines of the time. So there has to be a very strong economic reason for that kind of availability and reliability to be built into the system.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to look at the metrics, and I think that people ultimately are taking. But the cool thing about that is that as we move into the cloud, we're able to buy more resiliency because typically the cost is going to be cheaper in moving in that direction versus using traditional DR systems. Back I worked for a large company in the 90s, and we were putting hardened facilities all over the country remotely. Never used anything in the hardened facilities. We had to do that to keep things up and running. So according to Zach Whitaker, dozens of major websites that rely on Amazon Web Services face of the public web as a result of the outage, including the usual suspects such as Pseudo Social Network, Pinterest, along with Check-in Giant, Foursquare, online travel services, Airbnb. So we're definitely seeing organizations that are impacted through these outages, and we're definitely seeing real business issues that come forward. And so we're definitely seeing, an obvious business case, that we do some planning and be proactive in how we're going to manage through these sorts of things. And I think most of our panelists would agree. So let's go directly